Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, we are making dandelion strawberry banana smoothie. Doesn't that sound delicious? So in my first video using dandelion greens, I think you may remember that I cut the tender tops to cook up with the potatoes. And then I took the rest of it and, roughly chopped it up and I put it in the freezer to make smoothies or maybe later on mix with some greens or other vegetables. Alright, so today I'm making that dandelion strawberry banana smoothie. But make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Alrighty then. Alright, so here we are. So this is what I had for breakfast this morning. So there's the frozen dandelion greens. And I just took like a handful. Oh, and those are my frozen bananas. So I like to take my ripe bananas if I have extra and chop them up and freeze them before they go bad. And then I just reuse those bags actually. Like if I have more vegetables, I'll just put them in with the dandelions. Well, not with the dandelions, but I'll just use that bag. Or if I have more bananas, I put them in there. Alright, so I took about a handful. My handfuls there, I used two, but they were like itty bitty handfuls. So together it's like one handful. And then I added about a half cup of water with them. And I blended them quite well. And so the good thing about blending them is that the blender breaks down the cell and the cellulose that's in the leaves there and actually makes it so it's more digestible in your body. Yeah. So it's going to go for quite a bit. And I blended it for about 30 seconds. So dandelions, wow, I keep reading about how healthy they really are for your body. And just think, I've been pulling them and throwing them away from my yard. Although, like I said, I bought these from the grocery store. We have too many cats and dogs in our yard that run through our yard for me to trust using that stuff. But it's good because they're really cheap at the store. Like you can buy a huge bunch of them for like $1.60. So, all right. So there we go. We are adding the bananas now, and I added approximately one banana. And so this smoothie is actually going to be for two people. Because my bananas are frozen, I went ahead and blended them very shortly before adding my strawberries. Now, you can sweeten this if you like or not. I could probably eat it without the sweetener, but I know my mom, she likes her smoothies sweet. So I added just a little bit of sweetener in there. So you could add a little honey if you like, a little maple syrup. Alright, like I said, just briefly to kind of break down the frozen banana. You never want to process bananas too long because they go from being sweet to starchy tasting if you blend them too much. Alright, so these are some bananas. These are some strawberries I cut up and had them in the refrigerator macerating. So, let me go ahead and blend that. There we go. I was having trouble with my blender kind of engaging there. But that's alright, it still works. Look at that. It didn't take long. And so, what I'm going to do now is add about a cup and a half of soy milk, or you can use whatever milk you like. It's up to you. And then I'm just going to blend very briefly to get everything incorporated. Alright, so now the taste test, and I was really wondering, okay, is this really going to be good? The color looks a little strange. But guess what? Surprisingly, it wasn't good. So why don't you try making one of these smoothies and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more. Take care, y'all.